Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today I wanted to come here to say a huge thank you. I had an amazing surprise last weekend. This channel reached 1,000 subscribers. It's unbelievable for me. When I started this channel a few months ago, I would never have expected this, and it has been really an incredible discovery, this YouTube channel. I had not much expectations. I thought, well, I will just sit here, talk about things I like, and it's a little hobby and I enjoy doing that, so why not? I just hope I'm not gonna get too many trolls. And not at all. People, you have been lovely in the comments. It really feels like a community. You have been very helpful, very supportive. And it's very nice, and I see some of you coming again and again in the comments, and it feels like, hey, oh yeah, like we don't know each other obviously, but somehow it feels like we do. I don't know, it's extremely weird feeling, and I was not expecting that at all. But it has been really lovely. It has been really one of the best part of this YouTube experience. And I was thinking, yeah, well, I would like to say thank you, and what better way to say thank you than to make a little gift. So I'm then organizing a little giveaway with this YouTube video and thinking about what I could gift you that could maybe be of interest also for you. I thought about, of course, Hermès, and then Hermès Beauty. I discovered them recently, Christmas. I had wanted to try them since forever, and then at Christmas I was like, hey, come on, I will go for it as a little Christmas gift. And I thought, yeah, that's probably a good idea if you also want to try them, or you have tried them already and you are super convinced and you would like to have more. So this giveaway, you can win Hermès lipstick, or if you don't like lipsticks, you can also win Hermès nail polish. You can choose whatever you want, whatever color you want. So typically, for example, the Hermès lipsticks, yeah, look like that. So I will get it delivered to you from the Hermès website. So you will get directly a Hermès delivery. So you know it's all legit and has not been used or anything. So no worries, no concern there. And so, for example, if you like the color I'm wearing today I'm wearing it in light mode because you can vary the intensity. It's a Rouge Hermès, it's a Rouge H, number 85. And it's one of their satin lipstick. So it can go very dark like this. I wore it much darker in a previous video. So if you like, for example, this shade, so that's a Rouge H. But you can obviously pick any other shade. You can pick a satin lipstick like these ones. You can also pick a matte lipstick. I had a look on their website. They also have infused care oil. They also have lip enhancer. Any of that is fine. You can also, nail polish, you can pick, of course, any color of nail polish you want, but you can also pick a base coat or a top coat if you want. Or I saw they have a hand cream. You can pick the small version. They have two sizes. You can pick the small size of the hand cream if you rather have that. So yeah, a lot of options. I hope they will make you happy. To participate, of course, to this giveaway, that's an important thing. So all the information will be summarized down below in the description box. So if you want to see more about details, all these legal things. So I try to have a bit of look online at things. I have also to specify that this video is no collaboration, no sponsorship, nothing from Hermès or from YouTube or anything. It's just me wanting to make a little gift from you. And to enter this giveaway, the only thing you have to do is to write in the comment section below je participe in French or I participate in English. Anything you want, and then you can write more if you want, or you can simply just write I participate. That's also enough. So the contest opens from the moment I'm publishing this video, which is Friday the 2nd of February, and it's 8 a.m. Paris-Berlin time, and it will be on for 1 week. So you have 1 week to write down in the comment section I participate. So until Friday the 9th of February, 8 a.m. Paris-Berlin time. And then either on Friday or Saturday, I will use one of these comment picker website to pick a comment, a lucky winner. so that it's completely random. And I will then contact you, so I will answer your comment and I will tell you, yeah, congratulations, you won. Please give me an email address or something where I can contact you, and I will contact you. And then you can simply tell me which lipsticks you would like to have, or nail polish. So you can just tell me the color, and I will need an address, of course, and all your data will then be deleted. Don't worry, I'm not gonna save anything. Once I've ordered, I will delete your email, and it won't stay. You won't get any advertisement or anything from me. So yeah, but I will need it to get the gift shipped to you. So I will ship directly from the Hermès website to you. So only other requirement is you need to be living in a country where Hermès can deliver. So that's one thing. You can easily check that on their website. Go on your local Hermès website and see if they deliver to your address. If they do, I mean to your country generally. If they do, then you're good to go. And yeah, I'm just thinking if I forgot something, but I don't think so. I think I've told you all the informations. So if you have any questions about the lipstick, so again, I have the satin lipstick in the color Rouge H number 85. Really love it. I have not tried the nail polishes. I've heard good things about them. They are very lovely colors. I have not tried them, but I was very convinced with their lipsticks, and so that's why I thought it's a nice little gift for you. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, and I hope I will see you in many other next future videos. And well, thank you again, guys, and yeah, who knows, maybe in a few years we will meet again, and I will be doing a 10,000 follower video or something like that. And yeah, let's see what the future holds. But yeah, thanks a lot, and have a lovely day wherever you are. And if you want to watch another video from my channel that you have not seen maybe yet, I will put one here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can of course click here, and then you will not miss any of my videos. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Bye guys.